Whole heap of prayer, man. A lot of prayer. So don't you ever feel like anything that is happening for me is by chance. And I say this to say to you that Tuesday night or Wednesday morning was horrible, but it could have been worse. And it's not by chance that it wasn't worse. Prayer. Years and years of prayer over my life, I tell you. I can't tell you otherwise, you know, man. And I see. Yeah, I see. On the sparrow, I know you watches. Oh, and I sing.